Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing the Prada Reedition 2000 shoulder bag. You've probably seen this bag all over social media. Unfortunately, it is very trendy, and that is why I was considering not getting it. I had been wanting this bag for so long, but then I had heard some people say that it might not be a good piece to invest in because it is very trendy and not classic, and you know, usually when things spike up, they also fall pretty hard. I was like, oh shoot, I shouldn't be buying trendy things, especially something that a lot of people are buying fakes for, and then everyone would just assume that mine was fake. Yada yada yada. It's a first world problem, I know. I thought about it for a few months. I had been debating about this bag for a few months, and I decided that I was just gonna do it. But just the concept of a shoulder bag kind of came from like the earlier 2000s when that was trendy, and it's just gonna come back again, you know? It's a cycle. It'll just go round and round, but I'm really excited to open this thing. It has been sold out on their website for quite a while. I'm not sure how long exactly. All I know is that for the past 2 weeks that I was seriously like ready to buy it, I couldn't because basically every color is out of stock. I was so upset that I finally decided that I wanted this bag, and I looked everywhere and couldn't find it. I looked at all the third-party sellers like Saks and Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom. I don't know if all of those even have it, but I just looked everywhere I possibly could. I even considered buying from StockX, which I think it's currently going for $200 more than retail with the taxes and fees and everything. You think that you have to be rich to buy from Prada? No, you have to be rich to buy from StockX. Not trying to shoot down any future sponsors. I mean, I love that. I'm open to that, but yeah, it is ridiculous how much the fees and sales tax and everything adds up. So I realized that I could call a store and have it shipped to me. I thought about that, but I didn't know if they actually did that, but they do. So if you don't live near a Prada store, just call them and they can totally just take a phone order and then have it sent to your house. I ended up calling the Aspen, Colorado location, which is like a 6-hour drive from my house, so it wasn't possible for me to go there, but the lady on the phone was so nice to be able to help me. I was so happy with her being so nice to me and my experience and just being able to get the bag at all that I left her a really good review on Yelp, and I never leave reviews unless it was really horrible or I guess really good. Also, I wanted to mention, I'm not sure what the tax situation looks like there, but I was not charged sales tax. The price that it said on the website was the price that was charged on my credit card, which was awesome. I was expecting to pay like $80 over, but cool. So this bag was $725 last year, and I'm not sure when the price increase happened, but now it is $795 for those of you wondering. If you're looking for, I'm not gonna say cheap because it's obviously not, but a more reasonably priced designer bag, then this is a good one to go for because you don't find many bags for under $1,000, designer bags. Yeah. I'm talking a lot, so let's open this finally. This is the box it came in. It obviously does not say Prada taped all around it because that would just be begging people to steal it. It just says P stores. I was so blown away with how fast this got here. I called Monday morning as soon as the store opened. I got a text on Tuesday from the SA saying that it was shipped and that it would arrive on Thursday, which I was already really blown away with how fast that was. But then it arrived Wednesday morning, so it was like a total of 48 hours. Granted, Colorado is not that far from Utah, but still it was incredibly fast. I'm finally gonna open this now. I'm so excited! Okay. Here we go. It is very nicely packaged with some Prada tissue paper. Here is the shopping bag. It has a beautiful ribbon. Here's the bag in its dust bag. Before we get to this, here it looks like is, okay, this is the receipt. Here's the dust bag. It is very soft. It's just a little drawstring. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It's not just a bag, it's Prada. We got the nice filler paper to help keep its shape. There is this tag and the authentication. Why can I not say that word? What the frick was that? And the authentication card. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say, but it's like a nice credit card material. Or not credit card, but like a gift card. Oh my gosh, this bag is so cute. I'm in love. I was super debating on getting the beige one because it's so freaking cute, but I just knew that black would go with everything. Even though beige is also a neutral, I just felt like black is classic and it would be really easy to style. I did really want a light color for the spring and summertime, but black is just a safe choice. So this part right here is a little key ring and it just says Prada Reedition 2000. I did not expect this string part to be so thin. It kind of has zip tie vibes. Let's do a little shoulder shot. Actually, I don't know if I can show my shoulders because I don't want to distract the boys, but ladies, here's what it looks like on the shoulder. You can also just put it on the crook of your arm like that, or just hold it. Okay, let me show you the inside. If you can see, here's what it looks like. There unfortunately isn't any zipper compartment in there. It'd be awesome if there was just one little one right there for like coins and small things, but I don't really care that much. It looks like there's a decent amount of space in here, but let's go ahead and see all of the things that we can fit just so you can get an idea. This is like the size in comparison to my face, if that helps, but it probably doesn't because you don't know how big my face is. Of course, we gotta put in my phone. I usually have this in my pocket, but in case I'm wearing something without pockets. This is a iPhone 11. And then let me go get my other purse and we can put everything that I normally take and see if it'll fit in here. Uno momento. All right, I am back. I have my purse. This is what I currently use every day. It is the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire. As you can see, it fits quite a bit because there are 3 different compartments. I don't carry a ton already, but let's just see how much we can get into this little mini bag. Okay, so the most important thing are my wallet and keys. Luckily, I just use this little card holder, so that's not gonna take up a lot of space. I really like to have a tiny compact wallet with my keys attached, so that should fit in easily. Of course, it's 2021 and we're still using masks, so this will go in there. It'll probably be on my face, but it's always good to have an extra one handy. We've got my vaccination card so I can get free Krispy Kreme whenever I want. Can't leave the house without this one. If you didn't know, Krispy Kreme, if you're vaccinated, you can get a free glazed donut every single day for the rest of the year. I know. We've got a little travel perfume. This little circle pouch is where I keep my AirPods, so we'll put those in there. The main thing that I really wanted to see if it would fit in here is my vlogging camera, which I am using right now. I'm going to film with my phone and see if I can fit my camera in here because those are basically all the essentials that I would need. Everything else I don't really need to have in here. So let's go ahead. Moment of truth. Okay, so I realized that my phone was in the bag, so I took it out and we're gonna use this phone case pretending it's my phone. This is my vlogging camera. It is a Sony ZV-1. It's not that big, as you can see. It's a little thick, but pretty compact. And let's see. I normally keep this in this little case. It's pretty bulky because it's padded, and so in the case, it's pretty bulky. But we're just gonna try and see if we can make it work. Oh, it fits! Except, I don't know if we'll be able to zip it up, so let me see. She closes! It's a little bit funnily shaped, but yes, it fits. Okay, I'm gonna show you me putting everything in, but biggest to smallest this time so that it won't be funnily shaped. So, here's the vlogging camera. She a thickie. We'll put her in there. Phone. Pretend this actually has my phone in it. You can just slide it in the back. My keys and wallet. AirPods. A face mask. And a little travel perfume. If we want to just add some stuff for fun, we can add in a chapstick. I've got a little pill case. We can add that in too. Let's add a tampon, because every purse needs one of those, and another lip balm. All right, now let's zip her up. This is difficult with one hand, but you get the idea. And it all fits perfectly. It doesn't look weirdly shaped or anything. It's not bulking out. All right, you just saw everything that fits in here. So if you do have a relatively small vlogging camera like the Canon G7X or Sony ZV-1 or something similar, it'll totally fit, no problem. It's a pretty small bag, but you can definitely fit a good amount of stuff. If you're somebody that carries around your whole life with you in your bag, then you'll probably have a hard time fitting stuff in here. But if you just want the essentials like your phone, maybe a pair of sunglasses, a lip balm, and your wallet and keys, then you should be good to go. It's definitely not too small or anything. One thing I did want to say is that I know a lot of people were kind of complaining and being like, wow, it's $700 plus for a nylon bag. I'm not paying that much for a bag that's only nylon and not real leather. But I feel entirely opposite. I love the fact that this is nylon because it makes me feel way better about taking it outside, because I know that if it gets wet, I'm not gonna freak out about it. Or if it gets dirty, I feel like it'll be a lot easier to clean and it won't get really scratched or anything. Like this bag, I'm so careful with this bag, even though the only bits of leather are right here, and right here. The rest of it is canvas, which I like because it's very durable and will not get ruined easily. But if it's rainy, I am covering this thing up because I do not want this part to get water damage, even like the tiniest drop. And I will have much more peace of mind with this one, knowing that I don't have to be so careful and freaked out about it. Okay, well, I think that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really like watching these types of videos because when I'm considering buying something that's like more of a larger purchase, I definitely want to see people's opinions and learn about it as much as possible and just see it as much as I can, especially because I don't have a Prada store near me, so I couldn't really see it in person. So hopefully this video is helpful to you. If you're considering getting it but you don't want to because it's trendy, just do it. It's worth it. It's cute. I'm in love with it. I mean, look how cute. Don't look at my arms. They're like noodles, I know. I haven't been going to the gym lately, okay? I gotta get working on these. If you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload. I am back and uploading more often. Be on the lookout for that. I will see you in my next video. Bye!